What's up guys, welcome to B.A.M.F Metal Fabricator. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the hammers that I'm using to shape metal. Now I had some questions in the comment section about the hammers. Apparently there's nobody selling these types of hammers in their country. So they asked me, is it possible to use different kinds of hammers and still get similar results? And the answer is yes. This hammer I got from Ray Chalene down at Pro Shaper. I used this hammer whenever I took his class down in Massachusetts and I really liked it. It's a big heavy hammer and it moves a lot of metal very quickly. This hammer right here I got from Harbor Freight and I actually like this hammer a lot. The only problem is it's really light and it takes a lot of hits to move the steel. This hammer right here I got online somewhere and it's really soft. I don't even use this thing. It's a piece of junk. What I've always wanted to do was build a wooden hammer, and I figured why not take this opportunity to build one. I got some wood outside. I'm going to build one out of a branch. I got Chinese elm out there. I figured we cut that branch and just make us a hammer. So let's jump into the video. So apparently this Chinese elm is pretty tough stuff. Hopefully it'll hold up to some sheet metal. So I'm just going to cut me a section of this that looks the straightest. And keep in mind, I don't have any wood tools. All I have is metal tools. So we're going to be busting out grinders and shaping this with an angle grinder. And we're just going to make do with what we got. So I'm going to mark this and just cut a chunk out of here. So I'm going to just make some relief cuts on this in the shape that I want, which kind of want to just mimic, you know, the shape of those hammers that I've been using. So it has like a smaller pointy end on this side, and then it's rounded on this side somewhat. So I'm going to relief cut this in the bandsaw on both sides. So relief cut that side, and then I'll relief cut this side, and then we'll shape it with the angle grinder. So now I'm just going to take my angle grinder and turn this into something that resembles a sheet metal hammer. I got my mark there, and I'm going to go ahead and drill for my handle. Alright, let's put this old handle on here. All right, check it out. It actually feels pretty good. Let's give it a try and see what happens. Let's go ahead and stretch the inside of this panel I was working on earlier today. Oh yeah. Not bad. Not bad. That did quite a bit. A lot. It hits a lot harder than that Harbor Freight hammer. It moves a lot more metal than that. That's pretty nice. I like it. All right, guys, there it is. A perfectly beautiful wooden mallet, and it works like a dream. I didn't really expect it to work that good. It works much better than that Harbor Freight one, and I really like it. I'm going to be using this thing quite a bit here in the shop. So, you know, a branch, an hour or so of my time, hitting it with the angle grinder and using what we got, and we have us a nice usable tool. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks again. Like, comment, it always helps the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.